Hey everybody, Josh Barkey from MBRP, and today I have the Mazda Miata on the hoist behind me. And before we get to what MBRP did with this car, let's take a look at the factory system. Now, as you can see, we removed the axle back and we've replaced it with the MBRP version. But this system here is 25 pounds roughly. It is heavy for the car. We've put it on a meal plan. We've brought that weight down by over 50% and given it a much more sporty sound to it. This one here is very understated. We're gonna cut to a clip right now to show you that. Now let me show you what MBRP's done, and I'm quite certain you'll be excited about it. Come on up. So what we have here is a T304 stainless steel axle back system. We connect the factory mid pipe, and we have 2.5-inch mandrel bent tubing. Now in this system, we feature a Helmholtz design, which allows for drone cancellation and a great sporty in-cab sound. Now the flow of this system is 45% higher than the factory system, which allows for additional performance gains as well. We do end it off with this killer carbon fiber tip as well. We do have stainless options. For those of you looking to get more out of your Miata, this is one of those items you're gonna want to install. Now let's get this down, show you what it sounds like.